Yellow.
Blaze Yellow. South Tower 119. The Mike, way downtown, get down, bye-bye.
Hey, Mike. Audio video told me to wave your friendly fire, tell you to say hello. Hope you're doing well, cuz waving with the fire got down.
Yeah, the 119, so we do video to wave a friendly fire to you, to me. They tell you the video. They send it from Mexico. Mike started waving right back.
He can hear you. He can hear you, but it's all good.
Back at the field, but I talking to cousin New York. I talking to cousin New York, and they take it off my radio. Hey, 147, I talking to 119 in New York, and they taking it off my radio. Good morning, 716, you're too far, pull it out, I see ya. That's what I say, 147, that's what I say. I'm talking to cousin New York, and they taking it off my radio. Bye. Bye-bye.
Hey, Mike Snatcher, you're taking out my locals over here. Hey, Mike Snatcher, you just took out Pretty Boy Floyd. He was trying to get back. Mike Snatcher, cuz right there, I heard you on backlight. Oh, you need to keep that location, man. Hey, cuz, you need to keep that location, man. You got to say that and look down. Pretty Boy Floyd back corner. You stay right in that location. Yeah, maybe another 10, 15 minutes. Then I gotta start making moves over here. All right, Pretty Boy Floyd, Mama's pretty baby, enjoy the rest of your breakfast. And I know it isn't grits. Cuz waving and stepping. No grits, I'm gone. No grits, I'm gone.
It's a trailblazer. Trailblazer. You pick up a trailblazer. Trailblazer. Get down, get down, get down.
Take a mic, enjoy the rest, Mike. Have yourself a good one, Mike, and one bye. Trailblazer up the trees. I'm going again. Bye.